Today I am going to share fried chicken wonton or Momo's recipe. Chinese fried wonton for kids. Dough preparation. Flour 1 cup. Salt to taste. Mix. Egg 1. Fit. Add water as required. Mix. Make a smooth dough. Perfect. Cover and rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, knead well. Spread flour. Roll up until thinner. Roll again for extra thin wrappers. Done. Minced chicken, 500 grams. Ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon each. Soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Salt to taste. Sugar, 1 teaspoon. Green chili, 2 teaspoon. Oil, 2 teaspoon. Spring onion, 1/4 cup. Mix. Two egg yolk. Mix well. Cover and rest for 10 minutes. Chicken mixture as required. Follow the steps. All done. Deep fry. Flip. Fry until golden brown. Done. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.